It's Anthony!
What's up? So, we're doing a giveaway for 5 lucky people that we have
Ooh.
one mission for you guys to get us to 150 subs. And then let's show you the prize if you want us to get that subs. The first prize will be a plain normal black bag. Nothing in it.
Ooh.
In a plain backpack. The second one will be a crate.
Ooh. I want that one right there.
The third one will be a black bag with pumpkins in them.
Oh, that one. I want that one too.
It will be a flashlight bag with OG stuff.
Oh, wow.
You guys been waiting for this one. The big one.
What is it? What is it?
A pink backpack with 12 blue boxes.
Wow. Holy. Oh, those are so shiny.
So, you lucky people can get, lucky 5 people can get these if we get to 150 subs. Peace out.